Hi, in this video tutorial we will learn how to block people with whom we are texting on Facebook. Let's go to Facebook and see how to do it. We click on Facebook, after which we need to go to the Messages section. To do this, click on the button in the upper right corner. Here we see the people with whom we corresponded or who wrote to us. Click on Chat, after which we need to go to his profile. To do this, we click on his nickname, and here we see the block button. Click on it. We are warned that we will block this person. Click on the block. Next, we are waiting for the user to be blocked. After that, the person is blocked. We cannot write to him, and he can't write to us. To make that he could write to us and we could write to him, you need to click on Unblock. Unblock, unblock. That's all. After that, we will be able to write a message to the person again. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and see you soon.